Okay, so yeah, make sure your calculator is on radian mode because the formulas will not work for degrees. If it's in degrees, you have to like backtrack and change it back to radians, which is, you know, all that fun. Here we go. 3 formulas. The distance of the arc, aka arc length. Right? This is called the arc length, and the arc length that we're talking about is right here. So the length of the arc. All right. Forgive the patched up work on it. It's supposed to look like part of a circle. Yeah, not an ice cream cone. So L is equal to theta times R. What's R? Radius. It's the radius. So the arc length is theta times the radius. That's easy. Yay? All right. The area of the sector is everything from the, let me go back here, is everything from the arc length all the way to the tippy point where all the cheese is. And that area of the sector, which we'll call A little s, is 1/2 theta times radius squared. Yay? And if you remember from geometry, there is a, or trig, the area of a triangle has a special formula. It's half base times height, but this time we don't know what the height is. We know what the angle is, though. So if you want to find the area of the triangle, that is, well, that didn't work. Here we go. Select. Yeah. That is 1/2 AB sine C. Yeah. In other words, it's going to be a side angle side problem where the angle is between 2 sides. So it's half the 2 sides times the sine of the angle between. You see it? Yeah. Side, angle, side. Yay? Okay. Well, that was easy. All right. Let's plug in chart. That's pretty much all today is. Here we go. Given a sector with a angle of pi over 7. Is it pi over 7? It is pi over 7. And a radius of 12, find the following. So, I mean, if there's no picture, let's draw one. Okay. Woo, that's sector-ish. Theta is pi over 7, so that means this angle over here is pi over 7. And the radius is 12, so both of these things are 12. Joy. Okay. So to find the length of the arc, aka the arc length, which is right here, for part A, L is equal to theta times R. So pi over 7 times 12, which is about, calculate. Yeah, 4 decimal places. Let's do that. 5.56 centimeters. There's the answer for A. Yay! All right. So if we know L is 5.3896, how do we find the perimeter? Add it all together. Add what all together? Yes. So the part for B to find the perimeter is add all the sides. So 12 plus 12 plus 5.3856, which is, oh my goodness, you're so smart. Here we go. 29.3856 centimeters. Yeah. Excellent. Okay. So to find the area of the sector, there's a formula for that. Yeah. Okay. So we know the area of the sector is going to be 1/2 the angle times r squared. So 1/2 times pi over 7 times 12 squared. And just plug all that in. Go for it. Exactly. So here's the deal. It is 31. But that would be the estimated answer or the rounded answer. So let me go backtrack for a little bit. To find the actual value, it's just 1 times 1 times 144 over 14, right? So if they're asking for the exact value, that means leave pi out of it. Leave it in terms of pi. So if you did that, that'd be 144 over 49 pi, which reduces down to 72 pi over 7. So this answer is in terms of pi, right? Or that just means it's the exact value, right? And then if you were to give me the guesstimate, then that would be 32.3135, just like Mason said. Centimeters squared. We're doing area! It's area! Centimeters squared for the units. Okay? So exciting. Okay. Here we go. Shaded region ones. This is probably what you would see in the IB exam. Usually it's a shaded region where you have to take another formula into account. Hello. Here we go. Oh! All right. So if you find the area of the shaded region, what do you need to know? The area of the sector. Exactly. And what do you do with those two things? Subtract. Exactly. So the shaded area is equal to the area of the sector minus the area, area of the triangle. Yay? Okay. So using our formula, area of a sector is half theta times r squared. So half. We know our theta is 2 pi over 9 times 10 squared. Yay? And for the area of a triangle, it's side angle side. So we know the radius is 10, and this is 2 pi over 9. So it's half 10 times 10, sine 2 pi over 9. Something, something, dark side, something, something. Yay? And if it wants the exact answer, then just simplify what's inside. So the 2 gets the 2, divides the 2 out, so it'd just be 100 pi over 9 minus 50. This 100 times half is sine 2 pi over 9. And that would be an acceptable exact answer. Right? And then you can always just plug it in. Give me the estimated answer.
Your attention, please. Now in soft lockdown, all outside activities are canceled. All students and portable classes. No outside activities are permitted. Once again, we are in a soft lockdown drill.
What do we got? What do you think? Yeah. Yeah, you did. Why did you tell yourself? 2.7672. That's it. units something. Yeah? Yeah. That's all good. Oh, it says round to 3 decimal places. So 2.767? Okay. I'm good with that. There you go. All right. Last one, then you get to practice. You get it? Any questions before I move on to the last one? Oh, good. Here we go. NX confidence free. Okay. So we're given theta is $1.20. And the radius is 5 and 5. Awesome. No. What did I do first? Yeah. Right. 120 is what radians? Oops. Right? What is it? 2 pi over trig. Has anyone not seen conversion? Right? Change to radians is times pi over 180. Yeah. So that makes this thing 2 pi over 3. 5 and 5. Awesome. Area of the shaded region. Okay. Here we go. It's the same thing. It's the area of the sector minus the area of the, I did it again, triangle. Okay, equals the shaded part. So, half theta times r squared minus half 5 times 5 sine 2 pi over trig. Okay? Which simplifies to 25 pi over straight. Yeah. Okay. Minus 5 times 25, so 25 over 2. Yep. 25 over 2 sine 2 pi over trig. Joy. What do you think? Which one? You could. What is that? Okay. So instead of this, oh, hello. Oh, nope. Okay. Let me just drag you all down. Here we go. Yep, go away. There we go. So what she was saying was, this is times square root of 3 over 2. Yeah, Gabby, you're a genius. There we go. Go back there.
The lockdown drill is now ended. Once again, the lockdown drill has now ended.
Give me decimal place. 3 decimal places? Okay, so ounce. Do you have it? There it is. 15.345 units squared for A. Is good? Okay. Last one, find the perimeter. You want to try this one on your own? Yeah? Or do you need to see it? The perimeter one? Oh, back page. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, there's a back page. Yeah. Did we get 24.47? Good. How did you do that?
You have to find L first.
Exactly. So L is going to be 2 pi over 3 times 5, which is 10 pi over 3. So your perimeter is going to be 5 plus 5 plus 10 pi over 3, which is about 20.47 units. Yeah. Okay. Of course, it's in front and behind you and partnered, eh? You guys are a group of 3, right? And then you guys like pair up right next to you. So here we go. Tell that person, say, I'm so glad you're next to me. True. All right.